There has to be more to life than what I'm experiencing right now. It's probably something you've said to yourself a number of times, right? Well, if you don't know me yet, my name is Steve, and I found myself saying that I don't know how many times because I was feeling stuck and didn't see a way out, even after working 2 jobs. But what if the opportunity presented itself for you to have your own online business, working a couple hours a day and generating a potential 6-figure income for yourself? How would that change your life? And I know you have dreams and goals that you want to accomplish, but what actionable steps are you taking to make that happen? See, I invested in this digital marketing program that's teaching me the skills needed to create content to post on social media platforms like the one we're on right now, so that I can attract my perfect customer. Now, this doesn't require any cold calling. There's no inventory or overhead to deal with. This isn't an MLM. And there are no additional monthly fees once you're invested in the program. If this sounds like something of interest to you, type "learn" down in the comments. And if you have any questions, leave those in the comments as well, and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Also, like and share this video with others you may feel need to hear this.